A man's a man for all that. I'm going to sing you an unusual text, and I think a much finer one than the one that is commonly sung. This was sent by Burns to his friend William Reid, who published with Brash Reid chapbooks in Glasgow, and this was published a month after Burns's death. And Burns had never really gave this a title. In the chapbook, it was called "An Honest Man, the Best of Men," a favorite song by Robert Burns. So let's see. Hamely fare, homely fare, we'd say humble fare. What done humble fare we dine, we're hodden grey, homespun grey. To bear the gree is to win the prize. Take the day type thing. And the most confusing line in here is, it's, the king can make a belted knight, a marquis duke and all that. But an honest man's aboon his mecht, above his might. Good faith, he munna fa that. Good faith, he mustn't fall that. Now, they used fall like we would say, that's the deal. That's... The king mustn't obtain that. The king doesn't have authority over men's integrity. Or women's, for that matter. So... What though on hamely fare we dine, we're hodden grey and all that, give fools their silk and knaves their wine. A man's a man for all that, for all that and all that, their tinsel show and all that. An honest man, though ne'er sae poor, is chief of men for all that. Forward for honest poverty, hang down his head and all that. The coward slave we pass him by, and dare be poor for all that, for all that and all that, their purse-proud looks and all that. In ragged coats you'll often find the noblest hearts for all that. Ye see yon birkie cor a lord, was struts and stairs and all that, though hundreds worship at his word, is but a cuif for all that, for all that and all that, is a ribband star and all that. A man of independent mind can look and laugh at all that. The king can make a belted knecht, a marquis duke and all that, but an honest man's aboon his mecht. Good faith, he munna for that, for all that and all that, his dignities and all that, the pith o' sense and pride o' worth are grander far than all that. And let us pray that come it may, as come it shall for all that, that sense and worth o'er the earth shall bear the gree and all that, for all that and all that, it's coming yet for all that, when man and man the world o'er shall brothers be and all that. So in the familiar version, which was sent to his second publisher, George Thompson, And he wasn't even sending it that one to publication, but he watered down the radical content. Instead of saying, the king can make a belted knight, he just says, a prince can make a belted knight. And there are other things that are better poetically in here. So, the Brash Reid text, feel free to pick it up and sing it. It's a better text. And though his entitled academic editors don't deign to publish it, I will assert that it is authentic, that it is by the author, and was intended to be heard. Be well.